So I'm glad you're here. Thanks for making that first step. Now, our next step is for you to simply decide whether or not you want to be a wholesale customer or a wellness advocate. Either is fine. Wholesale customers are probably the major percentage of our doTERRA customer base. Most of our wellness advocates, who are individuals like myself who share oils and educate and actually help people enroll, earn credits and commissions based on those orders, and absolutely love what they do. And if that's something you see yourself doing in the future or you want to do right now, then a wellness advocate is where you want to start. However, starting as a wholesale customer is perfectly fine, and you can always upgrade your account for no extra charge to become a wellness advocate once you absolutely love the products, which I'm confident that you will. So you just make that choice. Most people start with wholesale, but you can certainly jump into a wellness advocate, and there are options available for both, and there's no additional charge for being a wellness advocate. But you choose. We'll support you whatever journey you're on, as fast or as slow as you want to go. Thanks for joining us.